Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Discord screen share no sound on PC step by step, so your streams work perfectly in 2026. First, make sure you're sharing the correct window. In Discord, audio only works reliably when you share a specific application instead of the entire screen. Click Screen Share, choose the app you want, and confirm that the Share Audio option is turned on before going live. Next, check Discord, Voice, and Video settings. Open User Settings, go to Voice and Video, and verify your output device is set correctly. Also turn off any unnecessary audio enhancements that might interfere with sound routing. Now check Windows Sound Settings. Right-click the speaker icon, open sound settings, and make sure the correct playback device is set as default. If you recently connected headphones or speakers, Windows may have switched devices automatically. Another common fix is running Discord as administrator. Close Discord completely, right-click the Discord shortcut, and choose Run as Administrator. This gives Discord proper permission to capture system audio. You should also disable hardware acceleration in Discord. Go to Advanced Settings and toggle hardware acceleration off, then restart the app. This often resolves screen share audio bugs. If the issue continues, update your audio drivers through Device Manager and fully restart your PC. Driver conflicts are a frequent cause of missing audio during screen share. After applying these fixes, test screen share again with a friend or second account. If this guide helped you fix the problem, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Discord and PC fixes in 2026. Happy streaming!